Hi guys, Retro Django here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna share this short video with you guys because for some time ago, a few months ago, an AMIGA 1200 came up for sale. This one wasn't close by me, but it did cost 500 Danish kroners. And I called him, the guy. I asked if it worked, but he said he didn't know. So I bought the AMIGA 500 from him. And I got some other stuff also, but 500 Danish is about 65 euros, guys. So I'm just gonna make this video and with you guys check this AMIGA 1200 out. I hope it works. If it doesn't, then we have to recap and all that. But look at this, it's a tad yellow, and it's a tad dirty. Yeah, but I got this one, 65 euro, guys. And with that, I bought this one. Now the thing is, I get donations and I buy stuff and I get oh, there's an arcade in there. Well, I get donations, I buy stuff, people write to me that they want to sell their old AMIGAs and all that, but some games, nice, but they don't live close by me, so I have some friends that just, picks these thingies up for me. Great friends, guys. And yeah, and this is one of my friends who just visited me, and I got some SEGA games. Don't know names. I just know Alex Kidd in Miracle World, I think. The building one, the Warsaw Sword. Sonic. Oh, I think I played this game, Kung Fu Kid. Or was it Yeah Kung Fu? I don't remember, guys. Yeah, now this one, Sega Master System 2, it should have a game built in called Alex Kidd in Miracle World. What's inside here, guys? Oh, we have something here. Oh, nice. I hope this one works. Cartridge. Action replay for the AMIGA 500. Nice. Yeah. This must be the Sega Canon. Don't know. Oh no! That controller, guys. We have something else. Is this for the Sega? Sony. Alright. Another controller. Yay. This is... Oh man. I played California games. Oh, we have a gun. Sega gun. Yeah. Guys, I don't really... I don't play consoles, but I'm all in for the Commodore 64 AMIGAs. What is this, man? Oh, that's the TV. Yeah, we got some Sega stuff. We got some AMIGA 500, AMIGA 1200. We have Commodore 64. It looks nice. Let's check a look at it, guys. Wow, it looks nice. It has been opened, but yeah. So a couple of Commodore 64. No, it's only the 500. Oh, look at this. The ceiling is still on, man. That's nice. Oh, it's a real nice condition. Oh, let's check out the on this one. If it's still. Oh man. we're gonna connect this one and just see what's inside. Yeah, we have got some manuals. Oh, 1081, guys. I love Commodore. Just give it a shot. Oh, this is just for the Commodore 64, nothing special. Oh, 3.1, Amiga 1200. Yeah, just some standard manuals. Oh, we have Amiga 500 here, I think. I mean, I bought these for some time ago or got them donated. I'm not sure, because they have been at my friend's place. Oh, we have a Commodore. Oh, this is not an Amiga, man. This is a Commodore 128. Yeah, this is a 128 down there. And another. Oh, look at the condition of this one. Wow. Oh, looks really nice. Yeah, another one in here, guys. And a, what's this one called? We have Mega Man, we have Ninja Turtles, we have Simpsons, and we have this NES Nintendo Entertaining System. Yeah, that's what it's called. So I want to thank my friend Lars for picking all this up for me. I don't remember what I bought, what I donated. The only thing I remember is actually the Amiga 500, 65 euros, guys. So let's just go ahead and plug that one in. I hope that it works. So yeah, let's give it a go. Nice computers, man. And some consoles. All right, we're gonna power it on for the first time for the many years. So here goes nothing, guys. And I'm using my own working PSU. And we have some stuff from my scan doubler and oh no, yeah, oh nice, it boots up. Beautiful. Okay, we got a picture, guys, so let's just put in a sysinfo disk in here. I hope this drop works. I have no idea. Oh, it needs cleaning. That's for sure. Nice that it works, man, after so many years. Just beautiful. Let's just move the camera just a tad over here. Yeah, we're gonna choose yay, the keyboard works. Nice. Yeah, we got this info. It's a tad yellowed. I mean, if you compare with the other, look at the Amiga 1200 on the left side and this one. But again, 65 bucks. Who cares, guys? Who cares? Yeah, so we have the CPU 020. That's nice, guys. I'm just happy that it works. And it smells fishy. We have some leaking caps in here. This one needs to be recapped. Now these Amiga 1200s, you can turn them on after 20 years and they work, but it will activate the caps. And if you just think, yeah, it works, and a year later, 2 years later, plug it out and it doesn't work, that's because you gave it some power and you just woke those caps up and they will leak. So I just turned this one on after so many years, according to the seller. I bought it as a dead machine, but it works. The desktop works, the picture works. I don't know about the sound, but we can test that. But yeah, this is nice. It gives. Oh wait. Okay, as you can see, it scores 4,843 dry stones. That because it has a card inside, and it has got 8 megabyte of fast RAM expansion, but still an 020 CPU, and it runs a tad faster than the Amiga 3025 CPU. So this Amiga has got a accelerator card installed that runs with the 020 CPU. As you can see here, it has got no FPU, but it runs 25 megahertz or a tad faster, I think 30 megahertz or something like that, because it's fast. Oh, there we go, 31.60. So this one has got a accelerator card installed that runs with the old 20 CPU, runs 30 megahertz, has got 8 megabyte of chip RAM. Where's the RAM? No, 2 megabytes chip RAM, 8 megabyte fast RAM. Yeah, that's beautiful. I mean, that card alone is worth more money than the 65 euros that I paid. So yeah, the AMIGA works. That's great. I'm not gonna look into the SEGA and Nintendo stuff because my retro love is still on the retro PCs, Commodore 64s and Amigas, of course. I'm not into Nintendo and SEGA. I played those consoles. I loved them back then, Mega Man. But I don't really make no console videos, so they're just gonna go on storage at my friend's place. So if it tickles someday I want to play some retro consoles, then I will make a video about that also, guys. So yeah, for now, what a nice purchase and nice donations. That 128 Commodore 128 looks great, guys. So yeah, Nuke, awesome. 11 for awesome. What the hell is awesome, man? So nice, the disk drive. It loads. I haven't even cleaned it, no nothing, man. Yeah, this is awesome. I don't know what this is. Alright guys, I want to say thank you for watching, thank you for your time. And as always, I hope you will enjoy some of my other videos. Have a great one. Bye.